You need to stop using any trading strategy right now. What I'm about to reveal is a new approach to trading, and I guarantee it has almost 100% win rate. This strategy is absolutely nowhere to be found, because it is my own personal strategy that I've decided to expose for free. It works in any market you are trading, and any time frame ranging from 1 minute to 1 day. Besides, you don't need any indicators at all. I have to stop to mention, it is an advanced level strategy, so you need to have a little trading backbone. Without any waste of time, let's get straight to it. You need to go to TradingView platform. I'll leave a link for you below in the description. For this awesome strategy, we're gonna use Fibonacci retracement. So in Tools, pick the first item, Fibonacci retracement. Click and drag all the way down and right. That's it. This looks horrible.
What the hell is even that?
For a bit modification, in settings follow my steps and make the changes exactly the way I do. Finally, this is the Fibonacci we're going to use. First step, I'm gonna show you the only correct way to apply Fibonacci on a trend. You'll be amazed at how precisely the candles react to our Fibonacci levels. This method is mind-blowing. So get ready to see the market in a whole new light. In order to apply Fibonacci on an uptrend, first click has to be at the beginning of the trend, the second click at the end of the trend. We're gonna alter the second click a little bit. In the second click, candles must sit on minus 0.13 instead of Fibonacci level 0. You must do all the same for a downtrend. First click at the beginning and the second click at the end. In doing so, the candles must sit on Fibonacci minus 0.13 instead of 0. This crucial setting is different from what you've been told so far. This little difference is gonna get you so many winning trades. So let's get straight to this premium strategy no one talks about. You can see a series of higher highs and higher lows making up an uptrend. So the question is, where is price heading from this base, which is supported by the trend line? So in order to answer this question, we're gonna use our Fibonacci. For the uptrend, I click first at the beginning and then at the end, aligning the end of the trend on minus 0.13. Listen carefully. I'm gonna draw a line from 0.618 to Fibonacci 0, just like that. Then I'm gonna pick that line and align it with the end of the base. So I start a trade from that point. My take profit point is the tip of the arrow and stop loss based on your risk management. This is the minimum every trend moves with 100% win rate. So just don't be confused, you're gonna learn this strategy until the end. Let's see how it works for a downtrend. We had an uptrend going on for a while, until candles penetrated the trend line and started a brand new downtrend. So in order to find the next downtrend target, I apply Fibonacci. Then I draw a line from 0.618 to 0. Then I pick that line and align it with the end of the base. I start a trade. The tip of the arrow is my take profit point. So the 0.618 of the previous trend is the minimum of the next trend with 100% win rate.
God bless you all.
I'm gonna explain one last time to make sure you've all understood the concept. It is important to stick to the rules, so listen carefully. For an uptrend, we always have a rally and a base. This is a beginner concept of an uptrend. The new rally moves exactly 0.618 of the previous rally. All the same for a downtrend. A rally and a base. The new rally moves 0.618 of the previous rally all the time with 100% win rate. Now you might feel so wise and come asking me a question. How do we know where the end of the base is? I mean, how do I know the candles won't keep going down? I'm here to tell you, it won't change the rules of the strategy, but I've explained this in another video. Go on and watch all my Fibonacci courses. Specifically, watch this QM pattern video in the channel, which is a direct answer to the question. If this video gets enough impression, I'm gonna make a second part and combine this strategy with Ichimoku to get entries in lower time frames using multi-time frame analysis, which is gonna take your trading to another level. Make sure you practice a lot and see what you can find for yourself.
Why the hell would I take a test? Come on, man.
If you learned something valuable, go ahead and give this video a like. It really motivates me knowing my valuable content is making a difference. Drop any questions in the comments, I'll do my best to answer all of them. Until another episode, take care.